Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to connect to SQL Server from Jupyter Notebooks. So what I've done is I've already created a SQL Server instance on the AWS cloud and I've got the endpoint. So we'll connect to this instance of the SQL Server using Jupyter Notebooks. So I've got some script and I will take you through the script, and I will also leave the script in the show notes so you can access the script and play around with it. So the first one is we need the pymysql package to connect. So we need to install that, and I've already got that installed, so I will just import it. So I will just copy the first statement where I'm just importing the package. So I'll go to my Jupyter Notebooks, copy this and hit Control Enter. And once it's imported the package, I will create a connection here. So this is just a connection string, and I've passed all the details and I want it to connect to Pythondemo. And you can see I've already connected here from a SQL Server Management Studio as well. So you can try with that. So just go to Connect Database Engine. This is the same string. And let me just copy this string again just to show you. So let me copy this string. I go here, delete this, and I just put the and it connects to the databases, and you can see I've got this whole thing now here with me. So I've created a connection string, and I'll just do Shift Enter again. So I could connect, but in this case I will use this string because I'm specifying the database as well. So I'll take that, put that here, and hit Shift Enter again, and I've got a connection now. So now I will create a cursor. And now I've got this create table statement. So I will build that string, do Shift Enter again. And now I will execute this statement. So I will just do cursor.execute. Hit Shift Enter. Now nothing will happen till I do a connection commit. As you can see here, I can't see any tables. So as you can see, I don't have any tables here so far till I do a commit. So what I'll do is I will do a commit for this statement. So I'll just copy this con.commit and type that and do Shift Enter. And if we go here again and refresh this, we should be able to see the table. See, we've got the salespeople table. And now what we will do is I will create a SQL select insert statement. So we will build that. And it's the same till I do a connection.commit, nothing will happen. So I need to execute this statement first and do a connection.commit. So once I've committed it, I can go here and I should be able to see the data. So I'll just right click and say select. And you can see it's inserted that record in. So now if you want to see this data, we can execute a select statement. So I've written my select statement here in Jupyter Notebook, and I will again do Shift Enter. We've built the select statement, and we will execute the select statement. We will get the result set. And then we will print the result set. So it gives us the same thing what we just inserted. So in this video, we learned how to connect to a SQL Server database using Jupyter Notebooks. and then we inserted a record, and then we retrieved that record. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you. Bye.